How to make a stand and please donate. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a stand and please donate so that you can start accepting donations. So this means I'll show you how to create a free game pass that'll then show up on your stand so you can start accepting donations. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up a browser and navigate to roblox.com. Once you get to roblox.com, go ahead and log into your account and then go up into the top menu and select Create. Now, if this is your first time selecting Create, you might see a little studio icon and then it says Start Creating. At the bottom, select Manage My Experiences. This will then bring you to the Creator dashboard, and all we need to do here under Create Experience is find and select your place. So if you only have one place or you have multiple places, make sure you select your place that's public. Once you've selected your place, in the left sidebar here, find and select Associated Items. And then in the menu under Associated Items, select Passes. Now all we need to do is select Create a Pass. And then we can go through the process of creating our own game pass. Now the only thing on this page that is actually required is going to be a name. You can upload a picture if you want, but you don't have to. So I'm just going to add a name here, and then you can add a description if you want. So once you've added a name and maybe uploaded a picture if you wanted to, go to the bottom and select Create Pass. And then it will bring you back to your passes here. Now we just need to set a price for that pass, and that'll be how much we get donated to us. So go ahead and select the pass that we just created. Then in the left sidebar, select Sales, and then just toggle on Item for Sale. Now that we've toggled on Item for Sale, go ahead and put your price in Robux for that actual item, and keep in mind that Roblox will keep 30% of that. So if I set the price at 10, I will only get 7 Robux because Roblox will keep the other 3 Robux. So set your price and then select Save Changes. Now that we've saved our changes, we can go back to Roblox, open up Please Donate so that we can make our stand. Then once you get into Please Donate, simply walk up to an unclaimed stand, hold E on your keyboard to claim it. You'll then see your game passes show up. As you can see, this is the one that we just created. You can then edit your stand, including the text at the top, by holding E again. And you can edit the text here. And if you'd like to have custom looking text, check the description. I'll have a tutorial going over that as well, so you can change the color, the font, things like that. So if I change the text here, you'll see it change up there. Additionally, you can change the look of your stand by holding E again, selecting the little gear icon, and then you'll see different stands here where you can scroll through them using the scroll wheel on your mouse to select different stands and looks. Keep in mind, most of these have to be earned by donations. All right, so that's how you make a stand and please donate. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more, please donate tips and tutorials. Check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.